Good morning everyone. Myself Gurleen Kaur, student of class 12B, standing here to represent career presentation on Chartered Accountant. Chartered Accountant is the finance maker of the country. Income per annum. Chartered Accountant salary in India ranges between 2 lakh to 15 lakhs with an average annual salary of 6.5 lakhs. Newness and relevance. They contribute to capital budgeting, finance, bookkeeping, tax planning. They help the nation in financial and economic related actions to boost the country's economic growth. Richest CA Kumar Mangalam Birla with a net worth US $14 billion. Power. It includes advising strategies, audit to the business. CA has to understand the reports and changing the business scenario. The audit and accounting concerned with the protection of data from cyber frauds. Impact on society. Accountability, taxation, capital formation, social accounting, economic contribution. Best institutes. Aldine Institute, Academy of Commerce, Vista Academy, Zell Education, ICAI Institute. Selection process. After 12, foundation, then final. Thank you.
Again.
Good morning all of you. I am Sandhya, student of class 10A, studying in STEMS. I am here to share my views on my career. My career is become a coach. So coach responsibilities, coach teach and guide athletes and for teams in their sports. They show techniques and evaluate athlete strength and weakness to prepare team for competitions. Skills and abilities needed for a coach: communicative clearly, patient and self-control, leadership, concern for others, attention to details, dependable, modeling behavior, monitoring progress, respect to others, job details, job outlook, pay, workplace, school and athletic sites. Education, bachelor degree, about 4 years. Similar career, athlete, physical therapist.
Good morning everyone. I am a student of class 11th B to represent a career presentation. My topic is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, per capita income per annum. Average salary for an entrepreneur in India 6.5 lakhs per year, 53.9k per month. Salary estimates are based on latest salary reviews from various entrepreneurs across industries. Newness and relevance, usually to disrupt the current market with a new product or service, drives economic growth and creates new jobs. Impact of society. Entrepreneurship promotes economic growth, provides access to goods and services, and improves the overall standard of living. Many entrepreneurs also make a positive impact on their communities and improve their well-being by catering to underserved areas and developing environment-friendly products. Boost economic growth, decrease unemployment and better economic growth. Power, create something that is uniquely your own, from a product or service to a business culture that aligns with your values. Richest entrepreneurs: Elon Musk with a net worth of around $300 billion. Mukesh Ambani with a net worth of around $200 billion. Top colleges: Loyola Colleges, Chennai, Shri Ram Colleges of Commerce, Delhi. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. I am Chavi from class 10B. I am here to present my poster and the topic is doctor. Selection process. To become a doctor after 12th, aspiring candidate must pursue science after their secondary education and then pursue MBBS. Both direction is for 5 years. Admission to MBBS is done on the basis of a medical entrance exam such as NEET. Salary. Thus, average salary for doctor is 3 lakh per month. Best colleges: AIMS Delhi, SI John Medical College. Power of doctor: social power arises from the high social status held by doctors. Impact of doctor: doctor save life. Doctor also make difference by helping patients manage pains. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Ariba for class 9th student of SIMS to deliver a career presentation of fashion designer. Among youth, fashion is a remarkable statement. Going with fashion trend is now very popular. The income of fashion is a starting system for fresh graduate can be ranged from 2.5 lakh or 5 to 5 lakhs per annum. Fashion design with different interests of people. The trends of fashion is also very with the changing world scenario. Fashion also keeps on updating Fashion can be quickly adopted in our daily life. Fashion should not be also bold. It should be about comfort yet style. Popular fashion design course after 12 are BDES Fashion Design, BTech Fashion Design and Diploma in Fashion Design. Fashion design can be from 4 months to 4 years. Fashion impact of certain people are good effect and certain people are bad effect. Fashion designer salary are minimum 5,50,000 but depends on our experience. And dresses design the power of fashion. A person's personality is very beautiful and the look of person is wonderful. Fashion change the personality of person. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. Myself Kirandeep Kaur from class 9th is a student of Smart Indian Model School. So today I am sharing my views on career presentation. My career is IPS officer. My dream is I want to be a IPS officer in future because I love civil service. The full form of IPS officer is Indian Police Service and it is one of the 3 all Indian service. The IPS exam is conducted as a part of the civil service exam and shortlisting of candidates is done based on their ranking as per the final UPSC result. The elite Indian Police Service is not a security force but provides the commanders to take higher level posts in the state police machinery and the Central Armed Police Force CAPF. The Indian Police Service is its modern form came into being in 1948 when the British area Indian Imperial Police was replaced. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Harshita Bharti from class 12th A of Smart Indian Model School and I am here to represent my thoughts on career presentation. Career. Stream for psychology is humanities. My career is psychology. Psychology is study of mind and behavior in humans and non-humans. It includes the study of consciousness and unconsciousness phenomena including feelings and thoughts. Effect on society. It gets to study on how a person grows and alters physically and mentally and emotionally in a lifetime. Best colleges for psychology in India. Christ University, Bangalore, Lady Shri Ram College, Delhi, Ferguson College, Pune, MIT University, Noida. Types of psychology. Clinical psychology, school psychology, forensic psychology, applied psychology, criminal psychology, etc. The salary of a psychologist ranges from 46,700 per month, one of the highest paid job in India and the world. Thank you everyone.
Good morning everyone, myself Asutosh Yadav, student of class 11B of Smart Indian Model School, standing here in front of you to represent my views that careers are also available in sports manufacturing. Careers are also available in sports equipment manufacturing. A person who wants to make a career in sports industry must have the knowledge of all the happenings and have the knowledge of the physical education also. A person can establish a sports industry at a small scale, but it may be related to only sports equipment like bat, footballs, basketballs or any equipment. We can earn a marginal profit of approximately 50,000 in every month. Basically, it is a very good field in career making. New equipments can attract more customers to the shop, equipments which are trending nowadays. Thank you everyone.
Good morning all of you. Here is Anil Abedin from class 10B standing in front of you to present the career presentation poster. My poster is on the topic teacher. A teacher is a person who guides you for a future. After father and mother, the one who came is the teacher. Being a teacher is not an easy job. You have to effort and have to do hard work to teach someone. Teacher is the person who built the nation. Teacher paves their ways for us. Teacher acts like a facilitator, moderator for us. To become a teacher, these qualifications are very important. If you are from science, you have to do MSc and BSc. If you are from arts, you have to do BA and MA. If you are from commerce, you have to do BCom and MCom. After this, all the main is the TGT and PGT exam. If you want to study further, or you have to pursue B.Ed and MA to become a higher teacher. The salary in the private schools of the teacher is 2 to 5 lakh per annum and more. Salary in the government school 3 to 8 lakh per annum and more. Best universities for becoming a teacher Aligarh Muslim Universities, Jamia Millia Islamia, Calcutta Universities, Delhi University, and etc. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Aradhya Pandey. Here I am present to my poster and the topic is Indian Army. Selection process. There are 3 stages to the Territorial Army selection process. A written exam comes first, clearing the service selection board interview round. On the clearing the interview round, the candidate must also clear the medical test. Income per annum. INR 21,700 to INR 25,000 with the grade pay levels ranking to 3 to 8. The Indian Army follows the pay structure. Impact on society. A soldier's duty is to maintain the peace and harmony of the country to ensure national security and the national unity. Power. The Indian military strength ranking in the world is 4th for 2022. India is ranked 4 out of the 142 country. Head of the Indian Army, Major Manoj Pandey. Thank you.